Hey friends, we're out here doing a sanding project today. I've got this old piece of board here that really needs to be sanded down. And I've got my little corner sander here. You can see it's a corded one. And I'm always surprised at how expensive it is to get these replacement sanding pads from places like the big box stores. So that's where today's product is going to come into play. This is a huge pack of 120 sanding pads, and there's a huge range of grit, and it's very, very budget friendly for this huge pack that I can then use for my projects in the coming months here. So let's go ahead and unwrap this. Let's slap it on the sander and let's see how they work. Now these pads are designed for the hook and loop system, or what I like to call the Velcro system. So again, as long as your sander is designed that way, what we can do is take one of these really heavy grit pieces. This is a 40 grit, and I can actually just stick it directly on to my sander. You can see, at least on the Ryobi sander, the holes on the bottom line up. The ones on the top don't really, but that should give us enough ventilation to suck up a lot of the dust that comes off of here. Let's take a closer look at the work it's done. Here's where it's really going to shine. You can see is rounding the corners of the board in here. And it did that very, very quickly. So again, the grit seems to be working just great. So let's try one of these finishing pads. This is a 240 grit. And again, really nice and easy. We'll just pull off this thicker one and we'll slap on the finishing grit just like that. Again, it fits really nicely. Turn on the sander and try it out. Okay, taking a closer look, you can see that did a really nice job. I'm running my finger along here. This is super smooth. So again, this grit is working just great. Fits our Ryobi corner sander perfectly. Definitely gonna give these guys a thumbs up. So there you go, friends. That's a huge pack of fitted sandpaper, great for these corner sanders. Super budget friendly, especially compared to buying this many in like a box store with this much variety. So big thumbs up from us. If you're interested in grabbing these for yourself, you can find them right here on Amazon. If this video's helped, give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned, subscribe. We got a ton more of these little tool review videos, different products you can find on Amazon. We want to make sure we help you guys get good products and hopefully make your life just a little bit easier. We'll see you again on the next one.